crafty friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Today we're going to do an unboxing from Diamond Art Club, and it's called Magical Sea Friends by Heather Valentin. On the first day it actually was sold out, so I'm not sure if it's returning. Okay, so let me bring it up so you can see it. And it is a square. Okay, the squares are usually blue. It comes in a beautiful box. It says scan me, unlock for 10% off, and it tells you what's in the kit and step by step how it works, the instructions. Okay, and it comes with 2 stickers. The small sticker, I always put them on the bottom of the box, so that way I know what's inside the box, because usually they're one on top of the other and I don't want to open all the boxes. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So the artist Heather has created portraits, murals, and children's books, as well as, I believe, 80 coloring books. And I think that she sells some of her coloring books on Amazon. Okay, so it comes with a new toolkit. Let's open this up. It's actually a nice day today here in Texas. It's nice and sunny, but it doesn't feel that hot. Okay. Oops. Almost stabbed myself there. Okay, that's it. All right. So comes always with the usual. So it's little bags, resealable bags, just in case you don't have the containers, and you could put the jewels in here, the diamonds. It comes with a pen, a diamond pen, a scrunchie. I call it a scrunchie, but it's for the pen, so if your fingers hurt. Okay, so that helps out. It comes with a Diamond Art Club tweezer, and they're usually very, very, very sharp. I like that it comes with this little top, so yeah, where you don't get hurt. Okay, and it comes also with a little container that's a heart, and it's got wax inside, which is nice. I love these containers. They're so cute. And it comes with this beautiful, let's see, washing tape. Very pretty. Let's see if I can get it open. Where is it? So you can see it better. Of course, it's right here, I think. I can't get it open. But anyway, as you can see, it's very pretty. Okay, and then it comes with a beautiful butterfly cover minder. Pretty colors. And of course, with the beautiful tray that I love. And it's got placers, and it's got a stopper to prevent the drills from spilling out. Okay. And of course, the canvas, the painting. It always comes in a nice bag to protect it. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And let's get this baby open. I believe this is a big one, guys. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see the drills. They should be in here. Come on, baby. Yep. Okay. Look at all the drills, guys. And I can see the pretty colors. If you separate after you open it, if you're not going to work on it for a while, it tells you, if you separate the drills from the painting and you put the drills in a basket or somewhere else in a box, you'll know that these drills belong to that painting, because it basically tells you Magical Sea Friends, which is very nice. Okay. And like I mentioned before, it comes with 2 stickers. This is the big sticker, and this one goes on your logbook. You put down the start date and the end date. Magical Sea Friends by Heather Valentin. And it's square, and it's a 56 centimeter by 76 centimeters. These are the labels. They're individually pre-cut. So you basically put these on your container. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Okay, anything under 150 is considered an AB. Okay, an AB is Aurora Borealis, which means that it just has extra shine. the drills. Oops, sorry. And then of course it comes with a thank you for your purchase. What's in the kit, the instructions. Okay, let's move that aside and let's look at the beautiful canvas. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Actually, you know what? Let me just turn this very quickly because I always roll it the other way. You can, because the canvas, by the way, guys, the canvas from Diamond Art Club is buttery soft. Okay, and it's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. Okay. All right. And what's great about Diamond Art Club is that they are eco-friendly. They use only eco-friendly materials, which means that the glue and the inks are toxin-free, which is nice to know. And the drills are 100% resin diamonds. That means that they just have more shine. Okay, good quality. All right, so on the top, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It's got a legend on the left upper side. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. All right, and I told you it already it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Okay, and it's got 57 colors. That's a lot. Let's see. And then it's got the legend on the lower right hand side. At the bottom always has a picture of the painting. It tells you that it's from Diamond Art Club, Magical Sea Friends, and it is 22 by 30 inches, 56 centimeter by 76 centimeters. It tells you the artist, Heather Valentin, Diamond Art Club. In the middle, it tells you that it takes 10% off of your next, if you use the code, take 10% off your next order. You can see them, you can find them on Facebook and Instagram, and on this side is a lifetime warranty. So you have a lifetime warranty if you have free missing diamonds, or you get free missing and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club. Okay. All right, so let's look at this beauty, guys. As soon as I saw her, I was like, okay, I gotta get this one for Olivia. It's completely magical. She's gonna love it. I'm gonna do it for her, or maybe we can work on it together and she could have it in her room. Okay, you look at it, it's just magical. It's fascinating. You know, guys, sometimes we need a little fantasy in life to survive the realities. But anyway, so let's see. So she's obviously a mermaid. Yeah, she's a mermaid, and it looks like she's catching a ride on the moon. And then not only she, but it looks like I think that's an octopus, a pink octopus. I mean, come on, guys, how creative is that? And look at all beautiful colors and the rendering. Oh my God, it's very, very clear. And lots of decorations around the moon, like beads, stars. I don't know, the flowers, they look like grapes. I have no idea. There's stars around her. Then you see the brightness behind her. That's the from the moon. The way it's shining in the purple sky. Just absolutely beautiful in the stars. And it looks like she's wearing some kind of crown. Let me look at the picture, guys. Hold on. Yeah, it looks like she's wearing some kind of crown. Oh wow. And then you see this here, that looks like it's like scales. I don't know. Well, she is a mermaid. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Most of all, oh, and let's not forget the water. Now the water, guys, we can use sparklers to bring the water, make the water look very shiny. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it, and Olivia's gonna love it. Okay, so, and not to mention she's got a beautiful face. All right, so let's look at the drills. I believe we said there's 57 of them. So let me open them and lay them out. Okay, so let us begin. 155, very pretty purple. 158. 159. These are all purples. 160. 165. It's like a yellow green. And 169 is like it's a gray. It's not like it's a gray. Okay, so let's look at the 200s. So this has 2 packages of 208, which is a beautiful purple, and then 2 packages of 209, another purple. Lots of purples in this painting, guys. So let's do the 300. So you have 310, only 1 package of 310. You believe that? 317, it's like a gray. 333, another purple. Wow. 334, it's like a blue. 336, it's like a darker blue. 340, another purple. And this is 368 and 369, just very pretty greens. Okay, so let's do 420 is a brown and 498 is a red. Okay, the red gets lost with all this purple here. Okay, so you have green, which is 500. Very, very pretty green. This is 550, another purple. And 553, purples. Oh, 554, another purple. Okay, can you see those? All right, let's do the 600s. 647 is a gray. And there's 3 bags of 648, which is gray. Okay, I think we could fit another row here. Let's do the 700s. So 700, oops, is a green, very pretty green. 702, it's like a lighter green. 718, it's like a pink. 720 is an orange. That's actually a very pretty orange. Like it looks like a fall orange. 775, it's like a very, very light blue. And 792 is sort of like a purple blue. So this painting is, if you are a purple lover, this is purple heaven. Okay, so let's move all these aside. And let's move to the 800s. This is like a blue, 803. 832 is like a mustard color. And then you have 833 and 834. They're all similar, like mustard. One is dark, this is dark, medium, and light. And 842, there's 3 bags of 842. It's like a tan. So let's move these a little bit over here. And let's just do that. This is the same color. All right, and then you have 900s. You have 915. It's like a pink. And 989, very, very pretty green. All right, and then you have the 3000s. So you have 2 bags of 3042, which is a very, very pretty purple. 3325, it's a blue. 3607 is a pink. 3608, another pink. 3609, another pink. So you've got dark, medium, and light. And you have another purple because we don't have enough purple, guys. 3747, 3770, and 3782. Okay. And this is the last row. 3807, it's like another purple, and 3808, it's like a green. That's very pretty. You guys know I love the greens and blues. 3809, 3810, all in the green and blue family. Now this is green. 3815, very pretty. 3816, another green. And wait, we have 2 packets of 3837, very, very pretty purple. And 3861, it's like a very light pink. Very pretty. Okay, so those are all the colors. Beautiful and bright and cheery and magical. Let's move over inside. And it has 4 ABs. So you've got 102, which is a very pretty blue-green, which is absolutely beautiful. And then you have 128. It's like a very light pink, very shiny. And then you have this beautiful yellow, 131. And then you have a little hitchhiker there, a little green one. Okay, you wanted to come along. And then you have white, 141. All right, so let's look at the canvas, the painting, and let's figure out where these beautiful ABs belong. Let's see if you can find them. Okay. All right, let's see. So the first one is 102, and according to the legend, it's number 1. So wherever you find the number 1 symbol. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh, I see it already. I see 1 right there. I don't know if you can see it. 1 over here. So, oh, there, it looks like this one is like sprinkled. As you can see, it's really not a lot. So it's sprinkled throughout the painting. Okay, there's some down here. So it looks like droplets. I don't know, droplets of the water maybe, or stars. I don't know. Okay, so that's gonna go there. And then we have 128, and 128 is a light pink, and it's number 2. So wherever we see number 2, where are you? Aha! See some on the flower. The flower here on her head. Some more over here. Let's see, on her face. Nope, not on her face. How about the octopus? Any on the octopus? Oh yeah, right here, guys, right in the middle of the octopus, of that beautiful pink octopus. Okay, looks like it's the octopus head. All right, let's see. And then this is a pretty orange, and this is 131, and this is number 3. And I already see number 3 up here, guys. Number 3, oops, it's on her decorations on her head. Wait, I just dropped this one. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so that's going to be on her, all the orange around her head. It looks like a crown. And then 141 is number 4. And yes, number 4, very easy to find, guys. That one is actually all over the sky. So I'm assuming it's maybe little stars. Any down here? There's some here on her bracelet that's on her arm. There's some down here. And yeah, they're sprinkled everywhere. So that's going to look beautiful. And of course, if you want to add more ABs, you can, or sparklers. Like I mentioned, sparklers maybe on the water. I forgot to bring this up so you can see how clear. It is so clear, guys. Let me bring her up so you can see how clear it is. Look at that. She's absolutely gorgeous. You see the crown and the stars. See all that? The number 4, those are all ABs, all those little white ones. Okay, so that's about it, guys. She's absolutely gorgeous. Olivia's gonna love her, and it was actually her birthday not too long ago, and so this is gonna be perfect. All right, have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, guys.